Alright, seatbelt's on. Fuel shutoff valve is on. Cyclic and collective frictions are coming off. Hold the G10 perfect closed. Panels are good. Frictions are back on. Okay, rotor brake is disengaged. Circuit breakers are all in. Carb heat is off. I'll leave the mixture off until you let me know.
Come on.
Landing lights are off. Avionics switches are off. Clutch is disengaged. Altimeter is set for the field elevation. Governor switch is off. Okay. It's not moving?
It looks like it should be good now.
Okay.
So, let me record it here for that. Hopefully it goes right on. So.
Alright, so the mixture is full rich. Mixture guards installed.
Okay. You're clear.
Landing lights are off.
Let me know when you're about to start it.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to give it 1. Roll to the detent, verify closed. Alright, so the battery and strobe switches are coming on. You clear?
Clear.
Alright, clear.
3, 2, 1.
Alright. Okay. 3. You call it.
Go ahead. 3, 2, 1. Try again. Go ahead.
Alright, well let's try it again. Alright, clear. Try it once more with feeling.
See, and then it does that, and it starts up just fine. You put the alternator on.
Information uniform 2150 Zulu, wind 3405, visibility 10, ceiling 1200 broken, 1007 overcast, temperature 182.13, altimeter 3011. RNAV GPS 22 left approach, right on runway 28. Notice your emissions, 2 tower obstruction lights out of service. Use caution for cranes operating the airspace. Attention all aircraft, hazardous weather information from California, available on flight service frequencies. Advise under contact, you have information uniform. Information uniform 2150 Zulu, wind 3405, visibility 10, ceiling 1200 broken, 1007 overcast, temperature 182.13, altimeter 3011. RNAV GPS 22 left approach, right on runway 28. Notice your emissions, 2 tower obstruction lights out of service. Use caution for cranes operating the airspace. All aircraft, hazardous weather information from California, available on flight service frequencies. Advise on contact, cab information uniform.
Six Mike Echo, number 1, runway 2 left, clear for the option.
Right left, clear for the option, 6 Mike Echo.
1,000, 1,000, good. 1,000, 1,000, good. Back to
Hey, Clark. Get.
All right, car
Give me 1 second, Clark. All right, can you hear me? Yeah, we're just starting up right now. He just went and took those two guys, the two applicants, out to lunch right now.
Okay, so good split.
You know, I mean, it's the thing. Like, I made sure everything was lined up just the way you said. Like, I went down there and I twisted the plate. I twisted. I made sure it lined up perfectly, and then so I know it was good. But it's been doing that. Remember I mentioned it last week that it's been kind of making that real bad noise, and so it does that. And it takes several tries, and then when it finally kicks on, like it kicks on beautifully. But that sounds like it's coming from the starter and all that. I mean, that's why I just took the video and. It's yeah. So I mean, I didn't have the chance. I was going to ask Chris to watch us start up, to watch it when we start up, but he was like, he's on the phone and he's in a rush and he's already running late. So I was like, okay, well, yeah, he's got those two applicants that he's talking to. So.
I could click fictions are coming off.
Yeah.
Gonna go ahead and spin up. Okay. Okay, governor's coming on.
Oh shit.
Alright, warning lights are out top of the green. 3 in the green, fuel, RP.
Yeah, we're about to pick up. So once it starts, it runs fine. It's just that when it's starting, it's.
Alright, low road.
Yeah, it's making that god awful noise, and like I said, once it kicks on, it's totally fine.
Good.
And those, there's a lot of the little teeth
15.
on the starter are kind of, they're getting real dull on some of those. And I did find a spot on the plate too that are on the, what do you call it, the ring gear, that's getting pretty worn down as well. Like, as I was spinning it, I found that, but. Yeah, there's a couple of them in there. So. Okay, when's the 100-hour due on this thing, or the next service on this one? 50 hours due at 46.79.
22 inches. Clear left for right pedal turn.
The last 50 you did up here was on 2 Bravo November. This thing's been flying a lot, so. Because you guys just did the 100-hour on 290, right? Rick, make sure you keep a close eye on your carb heat right now, especially because we do have visible moisture also. And then go ahead and let's just do a normal takeoff, normal approach. Oh, careful about that.
I'll put it down.
30 hours, okay. I don't know if this thing will make 30 hours. I mean, it's gotten worse just in the past week, so.
Hayward Tower, helicopter 4790 Hotel at Meridian, requesting left traffic to spot Charlie with uniform.
Gee whiz.
That's 4790 Hotel, Hayward Tower, standby.
Right.
And the helicopter 4790 Hotel, Hayward Tower, standby.
Standing by 4790 Hotel, thank you.
Okay, so then yeah, I'll start it up for him when assuming he's here when I get back. So. All right, man.
Helicopter 4790.
Thanks, Clark.
Make left coast traffic, spot Charlie,
Bye.
taxiway Zulu, beam Meridian, clear for takeoff, spot Charlie, clear to land.
Taxi Zulu, medium Meridian, clear for takeoff, left traffic, spot Charlie, clear land. 4790 Hotel, thank you.
That's 6 Mike, Echo number 1, runway 28 left, clear for the option.
Number 1, 28 left, clear for the option, 6 Mike Echo.
All right, clear right for left filter.
Number 2, following Cessna left downwind, runway 28 left, clear for the option. Number 2, clear for the option, 28 left, 28 time alpha.
All right, lights on top of the green, 3 in the green, fuel, car repeat. Out of the yellow. All right, clear left, center, and right for left turn. Oh, there's birds all over the place because left, center, right, turn left.
Visibility actually opened up a little bit. What's our ceiling at?
1,200.
Okay.
All right, lights out top of the green, 3 in the green, fuel. Car beat, pulling full car beat.
Yeah, I remember when you pull full carb heat that it drops your collective. That's why we ended up so quickly back on the dropping down when you did that.
Oh, you mean pulling the car beat actually drops the collective?
Yeah, watch this.
Oh, yeah.
Did you feel it?
Yeah, I feel it. Oh, that's why.
Hayward Tower, Cessna 733 Zulu Kilo at 28 left, request touch and go.
Okay. We got a little steep there.
Kind of steep at the end,
Yeah, a little steep at the end.
Make left close traffic, runway 28 left.
And he could have just slowed it down a little bit more, so that way he could have had more time to kind of fix, make those little fixes.
Not have to flare it so much.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, ideally we don't want to flare our stop.
Right.
Okay, let's go ahead and come down a little bit lower here. Right about there. I want you to go ahead and give me a hover auto.
All right.
Number 1, 28 left, clear for the option, 6 Mike Echo.
All right, so hover auto and 3, 2, 1, 1,000.
Okay. Good. Wasn't bad at all. Let's do another one. Let's do it from a little higher.
Is my rate of pull okay, or should I be pulling slower, faster? Or?
No, we hit pretty softly. That was good. We had a little bit of side drift, but I mean, no big deal. Your heading is just fine. In my experience, the DPEs usually liked me having about a 3 to 4 foot hover, is where they liked me doing it.
All right.
So say takeoff number 2 following.
So that was like a 1 foot?
Yeah, that was about a foot.
Okay, let's go up to maybe 2 then.
So yeah, the higher you are, the more you have to allow it to settle. Yeah, they probably came and brought us up to about a 3 foot hover.
All right. Hover auto, 3, 2, 1. A little too fast, too soon.
Yeah. So not terrible.
Let it drop.
It didn't feel like we were gonna, break the helicopter or anything.
Let it drop another foot. Let it drop another foot.
Yeah, just let it settle a little bit. I mean, it's hard to judge a foot, right? So, and also you don't need to pull so quickly. You can just kind of gradually pull
Yeah,
it.
so that was my question. Am I pulling, like once I pull, am I pulling too quickly?
Well, when you're in a 1 foot hover, you're gonna have to pull faster than when you're in a 3 foot hover, or a 4 foot hover, or a 6 foot hover.
Okay.
That's 3 Zulu Kilo, number 3, following Cessna, left downwind, turning base now, runway 28 left, clear for the option.
28 left, clear for the option, 733 Zulu Kilo.
All right, hover auto and 3, 2, 1. Oops.
Wasn't so bad. Still could allow it to settle a little bit more, but that's fine. That's all passable. It's all good. It doesn't have to be butter smooth at this level, at this point, right? Because, I mean, in a real life scenario, it's probably not going to be butter smooth. If it is, great. But it'll get there. Just more practice. But it's like by the time if you decide you want to go for your commercial pilot, then yeah, we'll make it butter smooth.
Okay, well.
But
all right. Do something else, come back to that.
let's go ahead and do a max performance takeoff.
All right. Okay, so,
And I want you to clear the building.
okay,
The tall
you mean that building?
The tall building.
All right. Okay, so what I would be doing, would be checking my skids, make sure that nothing's on the skids.
Okay.
I'd do our mag checks. I would do check my continuous power.
So I have a question. If you're going to check your skids and make sure there's nothing on your skids, how are you going to do that?
Well, I would open the door.
Okay.
Then I'd say, are we clear on the left?
What if I'm not here?
Then I don't know, I open the door.
So keep this in mind.
What?
If I'm your DPE, I'm basically acting like I'm just some passenger. Looks clear to me. What do I know? I'm not a helicopter pilot.
Well, what would I do? Would I open the door?
I would lean forward and look over here, or you could say, hey, could you open your door for a second? Yeah, sure, I can open my door for a second.
Oh, okay.
And you can always ask, hey, do you see anything on top of the skids? Are the skids tangled in anything?
Okay.
But basically, like a lot of times DPEs, and not all, but a lot of times they'll tell you, they're like, I'm just a passenger, I don't know anything about helicopters, don't ask me to do anything.
Okay.
Like if they tell you to pull carb heat, this is what my DPE said. He goes, if you ask me to pull carb heat,
I might pull the mixture.
No, he goes, I'm gonna hand you the mixture cap. He's like, because I don't know what carb heat is.
Fair enough.
Yeah. So it's basically act like they're not even there.
All right, so I'm gonna, lights out, top of the green, in the green fuel, RP's out of the yellow. All right, so I'm going to get us light up there, all the tower.
Hayward Tower, helicopter 47900 Hotel, requesting left traffic to spot Charlie.
Helicopter 900 Hotel, stand by for arriving traffic. So 6 Mike Echo, continue the downwind, I'll call your base camp for departure. Continue downwind, 6 Mike Echo. Cessna 18 Alpha, number 3, following Cessna left downwind, runway 28 left, clear for the option. Number 3, clear for the option, 28 left, 28 Alpha.
I'll come down.
Cessna 6 Mike Echo, base turn is free. Turning base, 6 Mike Echo.
I'm just going to come up to a hover then, since I'm just burning fuel.
Helicopter 9 is here, head traffic off your right hand side, Cessna in the upwind, remaining in the south pattern, make left close traffic, spot Charlie, clear for takeoff, clear for lane.
Clear takeoff, clear land, left traffic, spot Charlie, 4790, Untitled traffic inside. I'm going to find the, I'm going to get light first again. Okay.
Cessna 3 Zulu Kilo, number 3, following Cessna, left downwind, turning base now, runway 28 left, clear for the option.
Very nice.
Clear for the option, number 3.
Yeah, a little fast there, but overall, very nicely done. Good job.
Well, he wants me at 40, or where does he want me?
All aircraft information,
40.
Victor, current wind 29011.
Max power, you did a really good job of beating your max power. At one point, you dropped a little bit below 23, but I mean, it's, you know, tiny little bit. And you got up to 45. So that's why it's like, okay, those are little polish points, right?
Okay.
That's not like a, oh, you did it wrong.
Like, he won't fail me for that.
No, it's not a fail. It's just like, hey, yeah, like I said, that was pretty good. Like, you
All right.
cleared your obstacle.
Okay.
That's the most important part.
All right, lights out, top of the green, 3 in the green, fuel, pulling full car peak.
All right, would you like to do a straight in on this one?
To do, oh, okay.
What would you like to do?
I was going to steep. Let's do steep.
Oh, yeah, we do steep. I wanted to get you on your autos while you're fresh.
Oh, okay. All right, let's do that then.
Zulu Kilo will be terminating.
Cessna 3 Zulu Kilo, roger.
Hayward Tower, Twin Comanche 34, Echo 28 left and Alpha, we'd like to do left close traffic.
Twin Comanche 34, Echo, Echo, Hayward Tower, stand by.
All right, auto rotation. 3, 2, 1.
Keep your scan up. Keep your scan up.
Twin Comanche 34, Echo, Echo, verify information. Victor, please.
34 Echo, affirmative, we have information. Victor.
Roger, stand by.
Okay. All right, so give me a self-assessment.
Well, I was too fast, and then the rotor RPM dropped down. Then I thought, okay, well, I'm going to flare up. I'm going to pull the stick back a little bit so I can gain the RPM. And then we kind of slowed down. And then I just kind of chasing the whole thing.
Okay.
All the way through.
So you had the horn come on, but you brought it back. It's no big deal. It happens. You brought it back. No harm, no foul.
Hayward Tower.
What airspeed did you enter at?
Yeah, I was at like over 70.
Yeah, you're like 75 when you entered almost.
Yeah.
Okay, so watch that. And then also, you don't need to lower the collector so fast. The collective lowering should be about a second to a second and a half. Every time you enter an auto rotation,
You mean enter on the enter?
on the entry, yeah, you throw that collective down to the point where we're getting weightless for a second, right? So count like 1/1000 as you lower it.
Oh, so it's not good to necessarily jam it down.
You don't need to, not at all.
Oh, okay.
Right? So it's yeah, just a 1/1000 count. Enter smooth. The whole thing is the smoother you can enter this, the better it's going to be. Okay, and the smoother, the better it's going to look nicer. So you enter, you slam that collective down. All of a sudden, our airspeed sped up even more to over 75. You started to kind of bring it back. We hovered right around 70 for a lot of the time there, so which is okay. But why don't you aim for 65? Let's adjust this a little bit and aim for entering at 65.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I was trying to, but I noticed that, oh, I'm high and fast, and then I was kind of come up on the spot, so then I thought, oh, okay, better just enter, but...
Well, I'm saying enter at 65.
Yeah, no, I mean, in other words,
Okay.
I was fast
Okay.
when I entered, right? So I'm coming in on the approach, and I'm at over 70, and then I'm coming up on the point where, oh, I should enter the auto, but I knew I was fast.
Okay.
And I entered it anyway, but then what should I do? Should I...
Well, so then you can still go aft. You still got plenty of time to slow it down. You know,
Okay,
you
so just know, oh, I'm fast, so pull back a little bit.
Yeah, gentle. Everything's gentle, right? Gentle aft cyclic. Like, oh, I'm going a little fast. I'm going
Okay.
75.
Okay.
Let's bring it back to about 65 or even 60.
Okay. Because that'd be just like if we were in cruising flight,
Yeah, exactly.
and I'm going too fast.
Yeah, exactly. Just as long as it's not big, you're not going to get a big charge.
So just slow aft cyclic. Don't
Yep.
jam the cyclic back, because then
Right.
you're going to overspeed.
Right. But also think about what's happening is that in your turn, like you're turning out of your base turn at 70 knots, and then all of a sudden you're getting like you're anticipating and you're kind of pushing forward a little bit to the point you're actually descending. Every time you enter your auto rotation, you're in a descent. Okay, you start at 600 and you've got like a 300, 400 foot per minute descent rate, and then you enter your auto rotation, and then it just kind of it stays going fast. So let's try and just level it out. Make sure you're at a solid 60 to 70 knots. Let's shoot for 65.
Okay.
And make sure that we're stable. We're not descending. We're not ascending. Okay.
Okay.
And you can extend your downwind a little bit. Go around to that baseball field so you give yourself a little bit longer, or just square that off. Do our normal turn, but square it off instead of kind of making that U.
Okay. All right.
Hayward Tower, helicopter 4790 Hotel, requesting left traffic to Flight Charlie. Helicopter 4790 Hotel, Hayward Tower, roger, standby. Standing by. Twin Comanche 34 Echo, just...
Always stand by.
What do you think the cloud layer is out there?
34 Echo, it's a lot lower than the Aegis was saying. I think that it's pretty much just above pattern altitude.
Twin Comanche 34 Echo, roger, that's what it was looking like, because we did lose sight of you there. Looks like we're going to have to cut a specie and go VFR. So runway 28 left, clear to land.
34 Echo, clear to land, runway 28 left.
And Twin Comanche 4 Echo, you can begin your base turn now, thank you.
Clear to base, 34 Echo.
Cessna 85 Mike, left down.
I think that cell
clear for takeoff.
might be coming over the top of us right now.
85 Mike, rolling.
That rain band.
Oh, yeah.
So our ceiling might have just come down quite a bit. We'll see where this guy goes.
I'm pretty low.
Yeah, they're 800 over on that side.
Oh, I see.
But we'll see what this guy's doing.
This is 8 Single Alpha, the cloud layer out there
Yeah, he just disappeared.
lower than what we're observing with our automatic system here, so we're going to have to make this a full stop. We're going to be IFR.
8 Single Alpha, roger that. We'll make a full stop. And,
Yeah, that Cessna just disappeared in the cloud.
This is 8 Single Alpha, thank you. Number 2,
we might not be able to.
on
We'll see.
a 1.5 mile final, runway 28 left, clear to land.
number 2, for 28 left, and we'll be looking for that traffic. Actually, we're extending, so we can let us know when to turn our base. 8 Single Alpha. Tower, Golden Eagle 888 Hotel Charlie's inbound on the RNAV 28 left.
Golden Eagle 888 Hotel Charlie, Hayward Tower, number 3, follow Cessna traffic left downwind, abeam the numbers, runway 28 left, clear to land.
Number 328 left for land A Hotel Charlie.
Helicopter 99 Hotel, so we're about to cut a specie and we're about to go IFR, say intention.
Request a special VFR for a pattern and we'll do a full stop.
Okay. Requesting a special VFR for one left pattern and 2 full stops. 479 Hotel.
Helicopter 9 Hotel, Roger. It's going to be a couple minutes. We do have an IFR Golden Eagle that's at the final approach fix, so it's going to be behind their landing.
Just say helicopter.
Roger, 479 Hotel.
All
right,
the mostly portion of the transponder seems inoperative.
Do you want to do practice a couple set downs on slopes?
Yeah, I have to request a side step.
Just side step it, you'll be fine. We'll do it right here on the side.
What's that?
We'll do it right here on the side.
Oh, just.
Yeah.
I don't need to request a side step?
No.
Okay.
We'll just do it like half on the asphalt, half on the
Oh, okay.
Look up the 9 correction, Cessna 85, Mike, thank you. Altitude indicates 700.
35 Mike, confirmed at 700.
Cessna 85, Mike, thank you. Early free exchange approved. Have a good day.
85 Mike, thank you for your assistance and have a nice evening.
From Command Chief for Echo, right at Charlie, cross runway 2 at right, contact ground point 4.
E4 Echo, right at Charlie, cleared to cross runway 2 at right and over to ground.
So a little slower.
Still kind of fast.
Yep. Just balance on that skid. One thing that I did with another student the other day was I actually had him balance, land one skid on that hill over there, and then we turned around and did it the other way. So try to get just comfortable just balancing on the one skid. So don't pick up all the way, just balance there. Okay? And then go ahead and set it back down. Gently, gently, gently. There you go, good. And then bring it back up, and balance it. Nice and stable, nice and steady. Okay, balance it. There you go. And then set it back down. Nice and gentle.
Golden Eagle 8
There you
Hotel,
go.
Charlie, number 1, runway 2
And then back up again.
Number 1, 2 left, clear.
And on this one, we're gonna just pick up a little bit.
So Charlie, if you can, on the way in, request a updated base and tops report.
The tops were, they were under 4,000. I'll let you know what the bases are.
Just pick up like 2 inches off the ground.
That's 8 Tango Alpha. You could turn right at Echo if you're able.
Okay.
Cross
And then set it back down.
Contact ground point 4.
Balance on that skid.
Right at Echo, cross to the right Echo,
Go.
and ground.
Back down.
Attention all aircraft, Hayward Airport information, whiskey is now current, special observation. The ceiling is broken, 800 feet, 1,200 overcast, visibility 8, the field is now IFR.
Okay, go ahead, pick it up. Okay, so I got flight controls.
Yeah, control.
Back up.
Hotel Charlie, we're
So yeah, so one of the things that I was doing with him.
Hotel Charlie, thank you. Yeah, it seems like there's a bit of a layer that's just kind of camped over the field that's significantly lower around.
We just kind of came over here,
100 feet.
and I had to kind of just come down.
Hotel Charlie.
Okay, don't land, because it's too much of a slope.
Yeah, so we're just kind of holding it.
Just try to hold on one skid.
Yep, and then pick up. And then I had him try and do that, and then back around this way, and then do the same thing.
Alright.
So that's how you learn how to get gentle on those controls. I'm like, all you're trying to do is touch it. Okay, so you got flight controls.
Alright, I have controls.
You got them. Alright, you want to give it a shot? Yeah, the intention is not to
Don't
land,
because it's too much slope.
Right. Trying to put the one skid down. Pick it up. Let's scoot a little further over to the right. There you go. So actually get that right skid so it's off the ground. There you go. So you felt the ground. Keep it there level. There you go.
Helicopter 621 here, Charlie, Hayward Tower.
Gentle. There you go. Nice. And then go ahead and pick it up. Nice. See, not so bad, huh?
Oh, I'm really tense doing that though.
Helicopter
Okay.
10 Charlie, Roger, where do you land?
Okay, flip around the other way.
Yeah, swim right to the other way.
Okay, clear for right pedal turn.
Golden Eagle Hotel Charlie, right at Delta, cross 22 right, contact ground point 4.
All right, right at Delta, cross 28 right, ground point 4, Hotel Charlie.
Helicopter 9 Hotel, it's going to be another moment for the pattern back to Meridian. There's a helicopter requesting special VFR from the south landing Alpha Delta.
Roger, 4790 Hotel, thank you.
Helicopter 621 Charlie, cleared to enter Hayward Delta surface area south of Hayward Airport. Maintain special VFR conditions at or below 1,000 feet.
Cleared to enter Delta at or below 1,000 feet. 1 Charlie.
Helicopter 1 Charlie, you can make a left base entry for taxiway Alpha Delta.
Left base for Alpha, 1 Charlie.
Oh, this one's a little harder. We got a tailwind.
Helicopter 1 Charlie, say identifier for type helicopter, please.
Alpha 109.
Gentle, gentle, relax, relax. Stirring the pot.
I know.
Just you can come up a little bit, stabilize your hover. Come up and just get a stable hover. I want to take flight controls for a second so you can relax.
Okay.
I've got flight controls.
You have controls.
I got them. Shake it out. Relax.
1 Charlie, taxiway Alpha Delta, clear to land.
Clear to land, Alpha Delta, 1 Charlie.
So I want you to kind of notice. I get stable, right? I'm not stirring the pot. Now that I'm stable, I can come down.
Attention all aircraft, Hayward Airport formation, X-ray now current special observation.
And then I'm kind of just playing with the cycling gear, keeping it balanced.
At 2, ceiling is 800 broken,
Okay.
1,200 over.
So get stable and then just come down.
Helicopter 90 Hotel, your request is you just wanted one more left pattern back to Meridian, abeam Zulu.
Affirmative. Affirmative, just one more pattern. Oh. 4790 Hotel, thank you.
Helicopter 4790 Hotel, local special VFR operations in the immediate vicinity of Hayward Airport are authorized until further notice. Maintain special VFR conditions at or below 1,000.
Maintain special VFR conditions under 1,000. 4790 Hotel, thank you.
Helicopter 90 Hotel, you're welcome. Make left traffic forward taxiway Zulu beam Meridian, spot Charlie, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, Hot Charlie, 4790 Hotel, thank you.
Yep, that's that rain cell that we were just looking at. That was over Union City.
Helicopter 90 Hotel, taxiway Zulu beam Meridian, clear to land.
Taxiway Zulu, beam Meridian, clear to land. 4790 Hotel, thank you. Oh, yeah, it's pretty low. Alright. Lights on top of the green, 3 in the green, fuel. Carpeat, pulling full carpeat.
Oh boy, where's that water coming from?
I don't know, do we have enough ceiling for this?
Oh, for,
Yeah.
we're at 600 feet, come down to 500. Our vertical visibility is fine. We can still see the ground just fine.
Well, okay, well, should I...
If you're not comfortable, if you're questioning it, don't do it.
Okay, let's not do it.
Okay, go ahead and descend a little bit. Just do a regular descent here because we're starting to lose the ground. There you go. Anytime you find it, slow down. Let's slow down. 70 knots. Anytime you find yourself questioning whether you should do something or not, you already know the answer.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Like you have enough experience at this point that I can tell you that comfortably.
Should I go behind or in front?
I'd go behind. You got plenty of space behind.
All right. All right, clear right for a left tail turn.
Hayward Tower, citation 930 Alpha Papa 2100 on the localizer.
Citation 930 Alpha Papa, Hayward Tower, runway 28 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 28 left, 0 Alpha Papa.
Citation 0 Alpha Papa, if able, request an updated base and tops report and flight visibility inbound.
Roger, forgot the tops, there's some room between layers, we're back in the bottom layer now, 0 Alpha Papa.
Okay, let's just hover here for a minute. Enough of that, I guess.
Alright. Now it's time to figure out where this water's coming from. There's a bead of water going all the way down. That's fun.
There's a piece of heat shrink tubing over here too. But
Oh yeah, where'd you find that?
noticed, it's just sitting on the carpet, but
Oh, okay.
maybe that shouldn't really be there.
Alpha Papa's going missed today, so about 400.
Oh, going missed.
Citation 0 Alpha Papa, turn left heading 170, climb maintain 2000.
Left 170 2000, 0 Alpha Papa, and I guess we'll have to take the LPV.
Citation 0 Alpha Papa, sorry, say the second part again.
Request the RNAV, bases are 400, 0 Alpha Papa.
Citation 0 Alpha Papa, roger. Contact north departure 125.35 near left-hand turn, so 170.
In the turn, left turn 170, climbing 2000, contact departure 0 Alpha Papa.
Have you flown in actual IMC?
No, because I've only flown in, well, I mean, IMC or,
Like,
because IMC is anytime it's below 3 miles.
Oh.
Anytime it's below 3 miles or 1,000-foot ceilings, you're in IMC. So, yes, I've flown in IMC many times, especially because I did all my training in Gulf airspace. So, that's kind of, yeah, a 2-mile viz or something like that. As far as IFR goes...
yeah, if IFR, like, have you been...
No, because it's always been in Robbies, so Robinsons are not.
Oh, it's not certified.
They're not certified for IFR. I did all my training in a Robinson, but yeah, you can't actually file an IFR report, so you can't do it on purpose.
Oh, you can.
Yeah.
So it's just all training. So it's really just,
yeah,
it's just only training, only for training.
But I'll tell you a story when we get up.
Helicopter 407 Alpha Papa and flight has information X-ray special VFR to Alpha Echo, currently about 2 miles west of field.
Helicopter 470 Alpha Papa and flight Hayward Tower special. You're cleared into the Hayward Delta surface area. West of Hayward Airport, maintain special VFR conditions out of below 1,000.
Special VFR out of below 1,000, cleared into the Delta, and so we have the runway in sight. We're just looking to go direct.
Helicopter 0 Alpha Papa, that is approved as requested. Sure, if I have ATIS information X-ray.
ATIS information X-ray, roger, and approved as requested. We'll be on the best